Hi there everyone, this is Penelope. This is a short video for FS3128 and it's brought to you from the farm. You'll probably be able to hear the dog barking and the lawn mower mowing the lawns, so welcome to the farm. Okay, just a couple of tricky rearrangements from the assignment that quite a few of you didn't get right, so let's go over these. We have here, the question was to find x. So really we've got y over 1 and it's a fraction equals a fraction, and if you remember, if a over b equals c over d, then AD equals BC. So y times x plus 18 equals 13 times 1, and we don't need the times 1. Okay, we're looking for x, remember, so we have y, x plus 18. Now, if you didn't know what to do, you've got brackets, so you can try getting rid of the brackets. Equals 13. Now, we're looking for x, so it makes sense to have the x term by itself. Oops, the lawnmower's getting a bit closer. Right, yx plus 18y equals 13 minus 18y. Now x is all of that divided by y. The second one is kind of the same but a little bit different, so again we're looking for x, so it's y minus 18. That gives us the simpler version straight off. Now again, this is over 1, so we need to go x times y minus 18 equals 13. X equals 13 over y minus 18. Okay, apologies for the first slide. That was my husband using the lawn tractor up and down. Okay, thanks for watching.